Anyway, here we have 7 chaotic photos from the UK's annual cheese rolling contest. Nice change of pace. What they do is setting that up after the seriousness of the last story, which is how you produce a show when you work on a critically acclaimed broadcast such as CNN Ultra. Coming later tonight. This evening at 6. It's always at 6, isn't it? When someone mentions extreme sports, your mind probably goes to things like skydiving or bungee jumping, but chasing a large roll of cheese downhill can be extreme too.
Mm-hmm. Have you guys ever seen this?
I haven't personally chased cheese down a hill.
No, I can't
But
say
cheese is a really special food. Like, holy man alive. I had a breakfast wrap this morning, which had such a potent cheese in it.
Okay.
It was like I hadn't tasted cheese before.
Wow.
It was like, damn, because I've been getting I might have like a fast food wrap that has cheese in it and it has almost no flavor.
No.
It's just maybe a little texture, but you don't actually taste it.
Mm-mm.
I had some real, like, proper cheese in this thing today.
Okay.
And I was like, poof, damn. It was comprehensive.
Right. It hit you.
It was comprehensive.
Okay. What did you say the cheese was in?
A breakfast wrap.
A breakfast wrap.
Was it blue cheese or something? Something really
I just think
bold?
I just think it was a cheddar. It was just an aged cheddar.
Oh, okay.
It just had
cheddar.
more to it. I recommend these things to people. All people. Give it a go. I don't know. Maybe you're not doing the dairy. I don't know what the best actual alternative, a non-dairy alternative to the cheese comprehensiveness. I don't know if it exists.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But maybe it does, and someone can enlighten me. But I don't know how you do it in a lab. On Sunday, the annual cheese rolling event, a contest that sees racers charging down a stupidly steep hill in an effort to be the first to catch a wheel of cheese, took place in... Go ahead, Will. Where did it take place? The town there?
Gloucestershire.
Well done. Hundreds attended. Multiple wheels of double Gloucester were chased. Winners were crowned, and needless to say, many people took a tumble. So you kind of fall while you're doing this. What a way to get an injury. You show up in the emergency room, you're like, why is your ankle broken? I was chasing the cheese. And then, since the emergency room is close to this tradition, they fully understand. They're like, we get it.
Yeah, here's a video. I don't want to show all of it, but there's some pretty insane tumbles here.
Oh, that guy had some footing.
Like, people get knocked out. People lose.
You know what? It is. That guy is good. That guy in front was good.
He kept moving.
He hit the deck, recovered.
Back up.
I wonder if it's a thing where some people are like better at it and they come every year to win.
Their strategy.
Because
they're amazing at falling.
Like any other athlete, right?
Look at that guy.
I think that guy's passed out. Like, he
KO'd.
took a really big tumble.
For sure you can KO. Yeah, he's KO'd.
Oh, they have people at the bottom catching them. I assume.
Well, that guy never got caught.
Well, yeah.
He's KO'd. And some wear the special outfits like that guy there.
Yeah.
Like breaking bones.
It kind of reminds me of like a, what do they call it? Like a mud run or...
It's crazy that you can create something so dangerous simply with a hill. Hey, look, a hill.
Right.
Yeah.
But definitely this guy here, this is what it's about. Bang. Woo. Let's go. Yeah, that's a gold medal for that.
This guy rolled.
That's a gold medal for that.
But they do it every year for a wheel of cheese, and they do get to keep it. So it's kind of cool.
It's kind of also cool that the cheese goes like, what if it falls to the side?
No. That's why it's a wheel of cheese. Well, they try it with a block of cheese.
No. I'm saying, wouldn't a ball be better or easier? I would imagine.
There's no ball of cheese.
No, okay.
There is actually. Mozzarella isn't a ball, but it's too soft to roll like that. Yeah. Look at all the bodies flying out here. Good stuff, Will. Yeah. Yep. I like it. I like 10 out of 10. Go get your cheese.